Hi everyone, I'm Javier, a computer science and statistics student of the University of Valladolid, Spain, and I will be speaking about APK Falcon, a tool to empower users' privacy. I would like to start by asking a question. Have you ever downloaded an app only to be bombarded with requests for permissions that seemed unnecessary or too intrusive? Perhaps the new game you want to try out wants to access your camera, or the new viral face filter is asking for permission to make phone calls. Even the flashlight app can suddenly be interested in knowing your device location. So this can be frustrating, and many times we will be simply granting permissions blindly without giving it a second thought or even reading what they are about. And of course, by doing so, we are putting our privacy at risk, as most of the times we are not really conscious to where our information is being sent, what is it being done with it, and whom is it being shared with. In fact, recent studies show that 1 in 3 popular apps want to access your camera. And obviously, not all these camera permissions are being used for good purposes, and of course, privacy standards are not always being fulfilled. So the question that arises here is, can we trust our apps? And the answer, well, it's not very clear, since every day we are seeing more and more scandals related to privacy, with these companies having to pay multi-millionaire fines as the result of data breaches or privacy issues. This is why it is more important than ever to start taking control of our privacy. And the first step in doing so is to manage our permissions in an active way. So, what can we do about it? Well, the first thing that would come to mind to everyone, of course, would be to Google search an app's name to see if it is respecting my privacy. But the reality is that there are not many services out there to do so, and those that exist are often too technical and difficult to understand for the average user. And what's more, they don't provide an overall privacy score that would give a clear and comprehensive overview of an app's privacy impact, and that would serve for comparison between apps. So this is where APK Falcon comes in. APK Falcon is a tool to help users understand the permission system, leading to a better permission management, such as revoking highly intrusive permissions, and in general, being more informed and aware when being asked to grant one. This service is implemented in the form of an easy-to-use website where you can search for an app's name and obtain a privacy report, which includes an overall privacy score, which is based on permission analysis, and a metric which is also a topic of research at the research group involved with this project, and that can serve for comparison between apps. Okay, so all of this sounds very nice, but how can you really benefit from using APK Falcon? Well, first of all, APK Falcon simplifies the complex world of app permissions for the casual user, providing them with simple and understandable information. So by using graphical tools, the casual users can easily understand the privacy implications of their different apps and may use APK Falcon to, for example, make a comparison between apps with similar functionality and choose to download the less intrusive one. For the privacy-conscious user, APK Falcon will also provide a full detailed report, which gives numeric values and the insights on how the metric is calculated. This report is also fully exportable and has an interoperable format, so it can be very easily used in further studies or research. Finally, small businesses can also benefit from using APK Falcon. As the website allows you to upload your own apps, businesses can very easily check their in-development apps before they are launched elsewhere and see if they comply with privacy standards. So a relevant question to ask here, since we've been talking a lot about privacy, is APK Falcon actually respecting my privacy? So from behind, the service works as follows. First, the user inputs an app's name into the website, and the server automatically downloads the app from various app markets, analyzes it, and generates the privacy report, which is then sent back to the user. In this way, privacy is guaranteed by design, as all calculations are made remotely without accessing the user's device in any way. So, in conclusion, APK Falcon can assist users in making more informed decisions by shedding some light into the permission system. We believe privacy should be accessible for everyone in a simple, open, and transparent way. So, if you are interested in seeing an alpha version, please feel free to contact me and start taking control of your privacy. Thank you very much.